Changing from a Delta-Wye system to a Wye-Wye system has several implications for voltage regulation, protection, and metering. Let's examine each of these aspects in detail. Firstly, considering the voltage regulator, there will be essentially no change. The voltage regulator will still be able to regulate the voltage to the same levels as before the change in configuration. Secondly, regarding protection, again there should be no change. The protection devices, such as fuses and circuit breakers, will continue to protect the system to the same extent as they did previously. Now, let's focus on metering. With respect to voltage measurement, the voltage measurements will remain unaffected by the change from Delta-Wye to Wye-Wye. However, current measurements are a different story. The current measurements will indeed be different. In a Delta-Wye system, the phase currents in the delta-connected windings are the square root of 3, or approximately 1.732 times the line currents. In contrast, in a Wye-Wye system, the phase currents are equal to the line currents. Consequently, this difference means that the current transformers used for metering will likely need to be either changed or adjusted to compensate for the different current levels that will be experienced after the change to the Wye-Wye configuration. This adjustment is crucial to ensure accurate current measurements are maintained. Let's explore some additional considerations. The power factor of the load will remain the same, unaffected by the transformer configuration change. The three-phase power delivered to the load will also remain the same in both systems. However, the harmonic content of the voltage and current waveforms might change because of the different wiring configurations. It is important to emphasize that, in general, changing from a Delta-Wye system to a Wye-Wye system will usually have minimal impact on the voltage regulator and protection schemes. But it is crucial to ensure that the current transformers utilized for metering are appropriately sized or adjusted for the new current levels. This ensures continued accuracy in measurements. In summary, when transitioning from a Delta-Wye to a Wye-Wye transformer configuration, the key areas to focus on are the current measurements and the potential need to adjust or replace the current transformers to maintain accurate metering. The voltage regulator and protection systems should generally function as before without requiring changes. Additionally, it's worth considering the potential impact on harmonic content, although this may not always be significant.